let us come back and learn the lab preparation. Here you have a specific reaction where I'll be showing you the ionic reaction also. Please note it. I've already done the ionic reactions under oxidizing properties of KMnO4. The procedure is the same. So once I write the reaction, I'll also be showing you that reaction. First watch that video. Please come back to this video. Now in lab method, we are going to perform the oxidation process using peroxo disulfate. So what is this peroxo disulfate? Let's see. So peroxo disulfate, when I have to write the structure, first let us write the formula. Formula is S2O8. How does this look? Now this is your sulfur. 2 atoms are here. Now you have to distribute this oxygen atoms between both sulfurs. First double bond O, double bond O. One more double bond O, double bond O. 4 are done. We still have 4, isn't it? Now 1 oxygen here. 1 more oxygen here. So 1, 2, 3 here. 1, 2, 3 here. 6 are done. We have left with 2. So this is going to form a bond. This is your peroxo disulfate. Peroxo, because you have a peroxide linkage here. Peroxo disulfate. Now, first important thing, you're going to just cleave the bond here. When you cleave the bond, what do you get? S. Now this is one SO 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? Right? So 2 becomes S2O8. Just see. SO4 becomes S2O8. Done. Now you're going to add, or we are going to pick up that Mn+2 ion. Here Mn+2 is getting oxidized to its state, to the next state. So what will happen? This whole process occurs in the presence of an acidic medium. So this reaction is an acidic medium reaction. Acidic medium reaction means you should compulsory have the presence of H+ ions in the reaction, as I've shown you in the oxidizing property. First I'm writing the products like this, then I'll show you the reaction, the whole ionic reaction. Now S2O8 done. Now along with this, the aqueous medium. Now this whole thing, when I have to write the final reaction, just simple as of now, remember, this Mn+2 is getting oxidized to a higher oxidation state, MnO4 minus. Now here it is +2. Now here when I have to calculate, this is x plus 4 into -2 is equal to -1. X minus 8 is equal to -1. X is equal to +7. So here the oxidation state is +7. Higher oxidation state. Done. So now after this manganese, this one, peroxo disulfate gets getting converted to sulfate ion. I have not still balanced it. The leftover, suppose if you're not writing it specifically, you can also write like this. HSO4 minus. This is also fine. Not a problem. This product also is correct. Right? In your textbook, they've given us H plus and SO4 minus 2. So together, I've written as bisulfate ion. Simple. This Mn+2 to higher oxidation state Mn+7 from S2O8, this is combining and forming bisulfate. Now we'll see how should I, now this is acidic medium, isn't it? Bisulfate ion. Now I'll show you the mechanism. How are we going to balance this reaction? So as of now, remember, peroxo disulfate, it is also called oxyanion. Why is it called oxyanion? You have oxygen linkage, yes, and the anion, it's linking with oxygen, which is oxygen is anionic form. So oxyanion. Now, next important thing, here Mn+2 to +2 to +7. It's going higher oxidation state. Yes, hence oxidized. Yes, done. The S2O2, it's going to form acetone. Now let us write the mechanism and see how are we balancing this. Right, so I've done the balancing of the reaction as I already explained in the oxidizing property of KMnO4 in acidic medium. So based on that, I've already done it and kept it for you all. So it's the same step which I've done, one after the other, finally cancelling electrons. So please note it carefully. Again, I'm specifying same procedure. Don't get confused. So once I've done, I've got the final equation as this. This is your final balanced equation. So go through each and every step. Any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. So I didn't want to repeat it again. Done. So this is your final reaction. So I try to, this is the first reaction which you have written. This is your final reaction which you have written. Now ma'am, should we practice it for the exam? Like, if you really want to practice it and know the final product correctly, if you have time, you can do it. But otherwise, if you still have the capability of calculating very quick, so this is your final reaction when peroxo disulfate reacts with Mn+2 in your acidic medium. So please note it.